Hey everyone, today I have here the simulation tool set for kids. Let's open this thing up. I'm very excited. I know my kids are gonna love to play with this. They love using my tools all the time, so I know that they're gonna love having a set of their own. Oh, look at this. Okay, a whole bunch of tools in here. Let's open it up. Cool tape measure. You can wheel it up. Wow, I like that. It has a little clip on the side. Very cool. Let's see here, some calipers. All right, look at those. Those are nice. Try and keep everything in this. Has a bunch of cool stuff. Has a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, a wrench. All right, let's open up inside here. So many more tools. Wow, all right, you have your electric drill. Wow, that's cool. That has a battery too. Fake battery. Let's see. Oh no, you can. All right, so you can plug this in. Nice. So you can put some batteries in there. You're gonna be able to, oh wow, how cool. All right, just like a real one. That's so cool. Slide it out. Okay, so cool, just like a real one there. Slide it out. There is a eject button on the back. Comes right out. That's cool. Comes with a bunch of different drill pieces here. Look at that. Screwdrivers, drill. You'll be able to put this in here. Wow, put your attachments on. Let's see how that goes. Attaches in here, screws in. All right, nice and secure in there now. Oh, and you just put those on. Really cool. They pop off so easy. Look at that. So adjustable. All right, I really like that. That's so cool. All right, get some more hardware. A nice saw. It's a nice hand saw there. The hammer. It's cool. Oh, a level. Oh yeah, look at this pipe wrench. I could have used that earlier today. All right, just a bunch of different screws, bolts on there. All right, can never go wrong with some eye protection. First things first, safety first. All right, I love the bright orange safety color. Nice elastic band. It's gonna fit on anyone's face there. Even mine. Oh yeah. Keep those eyes protected. All right. This is a great little toolbox, toolkit for kids. You got this handle. This handle is actually going to go on here. It looks like it snaps right in each side. Let's see here. Yeah, there we go. All right, so nice little carrying case there. You can put that on top. Let's see here. Be able to close that up. So cool. So many fun tools for kids. Let's go test it out a little bit. Let's play with it. Show you how much fun this is. All right, so this takes 2 AA batteries. Put them right in. Screw this part back in right here. Let's show them that. All right, this slides right back in here. Snaps in. Oh, it's ready to go. Someone wants it. Oh yeah, baby.
I found it right there.
Yeah, let's put some drill bits on there. What do we got?
I don't got drill.
Oh, you already have one on there. Cool. Let's screw into there. Oh yeah, can you use that?
Yeah, you can.
Oh yeah. Oh, here. Here, you need to saw that wood.
Yeah.
Oh, first things first, safety first. That's right. Oh, flip your saw over. There you go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Just like better. Here, make sure it's level now. There's so many of them. So as you can see, there's just so many accessories, so many fun tools in here. My kids love it. It's a great little set. So many, like I said, so many different things for them to play with. Use their imagination. Just get them a couple scrap pieces of wood and let their imaginations go. This is a great product. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching.